Customers' demands are rapidly changing. Today, our customers are bringing their consumer expectations into the workplace. Outside of work, they receive real-time response, no barriers to getting what they want, and at whatever it takes level of service. So when they're doing business with us, our customers expect the same. An easy process and a direct path to getting their needs met with no disruptions. Up to now, we have focused on satisfying customers by delivering great products and solutions. However, our customers have told us that the experience of working with us can feel like an obstacle course, with too many twists and turns to navigate, barriers to overcome and hoops to jump through. This confusion not only reduces our customers' confidence in us, it's the process we've created. This process is the customer's experience, and we've recognized the complexity of it all, and it's time to rethink everything. It's time for a more thoughtful approach, an improved process, and a renewed commitment to finding new ways to meet each customer's unique needs. This shift could very well be our company's defining moment and a movement that disrupts our hire industry. Starting today, we will win our customers' confidence by working hard to discover each one's true needs, and design our work to satisfy each customer by delivering a process aligned with their expectations. We will deploy new systems and tools that will help us streamline our customer response system, making it feel like a straight, smooth superhighway that's easy to navigate from start to finish. The results? Happy, loyal customers who enjoy working with us, but that's not all. Reducing complexity by removing barriers will lead to greater employee satisfaction too. It's a new day with a new way of doing business that will deliver confidence with each customer interaction, and it begins now right here with all of us.